So just had breakfast, woken up. I still can't believe the last video. Just insane. If you haven't seen it, go and watch it. But anyway, I'm gonna pack up camp and then get back on the road. Gonna head over to Takaka, and then yeah, don't know, we'll go from there, but we'll figure it out. Just like that, come down a little bit from up there. That's the ocean out there. It's like Golden Bay, Takaka, Farewell Spit, way over there in the distance. Well, that looks pretty cool. We're gonna head over there towards the beach. Here for some lunch, cooked up some eggs. We're gonna head over the hill into the Tasman National Park again and go stay at this cool looking campsite. Made it to camp. Man, this place is packed, eh? It's huge, it's packed. That's behind the campsite, little estuary. Pretty sick. And then camp's just here. And the beach is that way. Go for a swim soon. So good. Don't know what's on the agenda for the next few days. Could go for walks that way more. That's like 60 kilometers of walking, the same 60 k's back, so yeah, I don't know. And walking's not that fun by yourself, it's a lot funner with people. Guess I'll go for a swim. I'm gonna have a shower for the first time in a week. I forgot that I owned a shoulder shower. Pretty excited for that, even though it's cold. So excited for it. Absolute weapon of the boat. That'd be the dream one day. sick. So deep too, this is mean. Oh yeah, it was wicked. The GoPro had a little bit of mist on it from the waterfall, but then the phone was sick. Just got some randoms to film it, it was mean. Oh yeah, for another one. What an awesome spot that is. Far out. Perfect for that. On the second one, I went to go for the sort of like a front flip 180 sort of thing. I haven't done one in so long. Over rotated, so I did a front flip 360 instead, and just straight to my face. Felt like I almost got a blood nose, but I didn't. It was such an awesome spot, and made it out one piece. I'm not going to do the Able Tasman anymore, just because it's like 5 days of walking, and I can't really be bothered doing that by myself. Plus, it's not that entertaining for you to watch me walking from bay to bay. So I'm just going to wait till I'm rich enough to have a jet ski or a boat and just hoon around them. It'll be way cooler to watch and way cooler to do. So, such a beautiful place over there though. Awesome golden sands. And there was a wicked waterfall. So I'm just going to head round towards Farewell Spit, which is at the top of the South Island on the west coast. I'm going to put some tunes on now and just enjoy the road. I'm at these springs just out of Pakaka. Just go for a bit of a walk and look at the water. You're not allowed to swim or touch the water or anything, and you're not allowed to float a drone either. So, and I'd imagine it gets a lot bluer when it's a sunny day. Made it to camp, so I'm at Farewell Spit, well, the town just below Farewell Spit. Farewell Spit's the actual point, but basically at Farewell Spit. But it's going to be a wrap in this video, and we will see you when we go adventuring around here. I was talking to the lady that owns the camp, and she said there's at least 2 days of stuff to do around here. So yeah, there's like cool wildlife, seals and stuff, and lighthouse. Make sure you subscribe, come back for them, and we'll see you then.